In this video we will learn reading Excel sheets in R. So there are mainly three packages. One is XLSX, one is Read Excel, and one is Open XLSX. So this package Read XLSX needs Java, but you can do all operations of Excel here. This package doesn't need Java and it's a very flexible package. This package Open XLSX, this also doesn't need Java, but you cannot read the .xls files, means older file format of Excel sheet. Only XLSX file you can read here. So now we will see one by one. So we are having some data sets here. This is XLSX and this is the same database as XLS. If you see here, there are three sheets here: PH, OC, macronutrient, and full. Here columns are ID, PH, and OC, NP, and K. So first we will set our working directory. So then we will get library XLSX, and then we can this file XLSX file is a workbook. So that workbook function load workbook we will be using. So it has read it. Now sheet names we have to get. So this is function get sheets, and the names of those sheets you can get here directly. You can get this list of the sheets. So one is PHOC, macronutrient, and full. You can use these functions like print name list, and length of name list is 3. Then now we will be reading the particular data table, the particular sheet. So suppose if you want the first sheet, we can identify the sheets either with sheet index like number 1, 2, 3 or sheet name. You have to write the arguments sheet index and sheet name. So we will read it like this, and PHOC, if you are typing, better type head PHOC. So ID, PH, and OC are there. Similarly, if you are giving sheet name, it will produce the same result. Now if you are having .xls file, then also same function will work. No need to change XLSX or so again you can see you will write here like head only. Okay. So here also you have to use only read.xlsx function, and then you can see the head. Similarly, you can give sheet index here like this. Now we will go to the second package, that is Read Excel. This is very flexible package. So we will load the library, and then again sheet names you can identify using function Excel_sheets. We can print the sheet names like these three. Length always we can get. Now by default it will be reading the first spreadsheet. So I am reading this Excel data, and if you are seeing the head, it will be having only the first. So if you are reading the first spreadsheet, then no need to provide the sheet index or sheet number. So if you want the second one, then you can provide the name like this. Similarly, so here there is no separate argument for sheet name or sheet index. Only sheet will work. So if you are giving, means it can take the name of the spreadsheet or the index of the spreadsheet. So macronutrient is the second sheet. So you can use this also as to read the second sheet. There is another function read_xlsx in the same package. Here it will also be working similarly. So like I am giving the sheet name or sheet index. Now if you want to read the older files, means .xls file format, then there is another function read underscore xls, and you have to provide the sheet number. Now you can see like this. We can also, before that, the same function, means excel underscore sheets, will work on .xls file also to get the name of the sheets and what is the length. This function read underscore excel will also work to read .xls files. We can also have sheet index similar to other instances, and then head. Now the third package to read Excel file is library open xlsx. So the function is read.xlsx and sheet number 1. The index you have to provide like this, or the name like this. So this is how we can read Excel files in R. Thank you for watching.